What a mighty beautiful morning, Mission Beach. Start of a day in the kayak and then Peter gives me a buzz. Now I'm going over the islands. And that's a view. Now I'm getting excited. So there'll be a good photo of a couple in there.
Hey! Hey, who's that?
Okay, so we made it to the island. We're on Coombe. And it's one of my favourite islands. Peter's in the water. Getting ready to go in the water. Nice tide on a lure. But yeah, I can kayak into this for the day. I mean, hell yeah. Look at it. I'm going to climb up there. Try and get some footage while I'm up there. Lovely. Alright, I'm gonna climb these rocks and show you this really amazing view. So yeah, I'll carry the GoPro, see how it goes. Whew. Nice orchid. Already. Oh my god. As you can see, the bait ball down there. Just there. Alright, I'm gonna get over there. So, I think I'll... Oh, this bit's a bit hard. Holy shit. More windy over there. And we made it. We made it to the destination. Yeah, it looks good up here. Oh, that was a nice little kill. Some more bait fish outside there. Might go down there for a flick. Over there, that's where I want to go. How's some of these trees here? More of the orchid up here. There's one flowering. Nice. I love the purple berry things. There they are. Stay still. Oop, I knocked it off. Oh well, draw another one. I'm going down there now. Alright, where I was. And yeah, there's no easy way to go about this. You just gotta like pull. Yeah, just gotta do that. Down here. Nice. That's nice. So yeah, see all this white stuff? All that, that's salt. Yeah, it's pretty cool, eh? I followed you up.
Hold on, look at it, see? In that hole there?
Where is it?
I don't know, but right there in that hole. There's something in there.
hour's mission. Little oysters, trout fired the lure. Not too shabby. No, I actually want a fish to eat though. I think it was scruffy. I'll do that again quick. I know this side well, that's why that side I don't know. My uncle's even sunk his boat over there, eh? Actually deeper than this pond. Hold it, hold it.
Fuck.
Oh, cunt. What the fuck was that? When was that?
Look at snuff.
Oh, couldn't have been at a better time though. Bro. If you had to choose a time, fuck. Well. There you go. And I was on video. Teddy's fixed her up. I haven't got it on video actually snapping, but at least it reached right to the last roller. Down on the edge. What a day. It was quite nice. Oh, bang, eh? Or bang ze? Bang.